major U.S. indices took a beating this session, closing the trading session in negative territory, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average leading losses, losing about 500 points in the trading day before paring those losses and closing down 385 points. The S&P also lost about 1% or slightly over 1%, while Nasdaq took a hit of 0.5%. Now, there were two key developments that drove this downtrend here. The surprise move by the Trump administration to announce a final list of tariffs on Chinese goods worth about $50 billion. That didn't just take China by surprise, it took Wall Street by surprise as well. And that tore into confidence that was already depleting due to concerns over Italy's political turmoil, as prospects of a populist government in Europe's fourth largest economy weighed down on sentiment here as it did in Europe and Asia, and also raised concerns about the value of the country's debt. And we saw that triggering losses in Greece and Spain as well, countries that were at the heart of concerns not too long ago in 2012 during the European debt crisis. Italy's central bank has warned that confidence is at risk if Italy's debt isn't reined in. Now, the concern here is that on the China-US trade dispute, the concern that is that if the White House doesn't dial back or back down over what it's been, over its most recent announcement over the tariffs, things could escalate and put us back on the path of a trade war. And with a U.S. administration that has, where change has really been the constant so far, the unpredictability and uncertainty could have a longer-term impact on markets, not just here in the U.S. and around the world. Now, of course, in Italy, a lot of it will be riding on elections in the fall. If a populist, Eurosceptic government comes into power, that could weigh down on the economy, not just in Italy, across the Eurozone. And the worst-case scenario is, of course, a referendum on a potential exit by Italy from the European Union. Li Lingtan, CGTN, New York.